Hello. Welcome to Smart ESL Path.
15 collocations with do.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's begin the video.
Part 1. Do in daily activities. 1. Do homework. To complete school assignments. Example: I always do my homework before dinner. 2. Do housework. To do chores around the house. Example: she does housework every Sunday morning. 3. Do the laundry. To wash clothes. Example: I need to do the laundry this afternoon. 4. Do the dishes. To wash plates and bowls. Example: after dinner, I always do the dishes. 5. Do the cooking. To prepare meals. Example: my dad usually does the cooking in our family. 6. Do the cleaning. To clean the house. Example: we do the cleaning together every weekend. 7. Do the shopping. To buy things you need. Example: I like to do the shopping early in the morning. 8. Do the ironing. To press clothes with an iron. Example: she hates doing the ironing. Part 2. Do for work and tasks. 9. Do a job. To perform your work. Example: he always does a great job at school. 10. Do business. To work or trade with others. Example: their company does business with partners worldwide. 11. Do a project. To work on a planned task. Example: we are doing a big project this month. 12. Do research. To study or investigate something. Example: scientists do research to find new solutions. 13. Do a report. To prepare and write a report. Example: I must do a report for my class today. 14. Do paperwork. To complete official forms. Example: I had to do a lot of paperwork at the bank. 15. Do a presentation. To present information to others. Example: she did an amazing presentation yesterday. Quick review. Do in daily. Do homework. Complete school assignments. Do housework. Do chores around the house. Do the laundry. Wash clothes. Do the dishes. Wash plates, bowls, and utensils. Do the cooking. Prepare meals. Do the cleaning. Clean the house or a place. Do the shopping. Buy things you need. Do the ironing. Press clothes with an iron. Do for work and tasks. Do a job. Perform work or a task well. Do business. Work or trade with others. Do a project. Work on a planned assignment. Do research. Investigate or study something. Do a report. Prepare and write a report. Do paperwork. Complete official documents or forms. Do a presentation. Present information to an audience. Easy rule to remember. We often use do for tasks, work, chores, and activities, rather than creating or producing something. Do equals work, tasks, duties, chores, activities.